There are a number of different currency and number formats in Excel. Let's go on to the number and go to Control 1. Opens up the dialog box for us. So right now we have this cell formatted as a general cell. And go across to the number, and you can use a separator here, and you can see how the sample looks right here. If you don't want any decimals, you can simply just press a 0. So let's have a look. We have that format. Now once again we can go along and you have a number of different currency formats. You don't even have to have a currency format or a decimal. But for example, you have a pound here. You can see how the data looks like right here. And if you want to go down to something like dollar, we just press OK, and let's add 2 decimal points right here. You can have a look at how the sample looks like. So let's press OK. Now let's just Control C and Control V down here, and let's have a look at accounting formats. Now accounting formats look slightly different, so it might look the same here in the sample. Let's press OK, and as you can see, you have a little bit for separation between the numbers. Effectively, the number stored in the cell is exactly the same. You can also use the number format to change it into different colors. So accounting doesn't allow you to have negative in red, but you can use, for example, the currency. However, you can go down to custom and have a look at the different available options right here, and the ones that have a red will show you that if it's a negative, it's going to be a red. Now let's say that you want to add the number and you want to add something like USD at the end of it rather than having the dollar sign. You can simply come up to here where it says units, and you can simply type in USD, and that will allow you to have the number as a after the comma. Now let's just add a comma here so we can clear up the formatting. Press OK, and now you can see once again you have 9274 USD, but the number stored here is exactly 9274.